It just dawned on me when I was looking for that wooden dowel. I came across this, a zip tie, and thinking about that engine clamp situation, maybe I should try that. In all the years that I've been working with this machine, it never dawned on me to do something like this with a tie wrap. Yeah, I mean, earlier when I was younger, I could easily squeeze it down. And so I got it, oops, I got it around the O-ring, the first fiber ring. As you can see, it's all the way around. And I'm just gonna tighten this down as tight as I can get it. I don't know if this is gonna work, but hey, even after all these years of retirement, something new. Okay, and I'm compressing that O-ring with the tie wrap. See? And I'm gradually working it tighter and tighter. If you have one of those zip tie guns, that's probably work even better. So I'm using this electrician's pliers to get a little bit more leverage. And okay, you know what? You can see it, it's compressed. So maybe from this point, sticking out a little bit right there. It's a little bit more compression. Okay. Well, as you can see right here, it's sticking out right here. All the rest is compressed down. So I just got to get this down. Just to help get it started. There it is. You see it? I got it. Help get it started on the O-ring. Okay, maybe now.